Big up Trinidad and Tobago. Good morning, man.
Where wildlife runs free. You could say that I'm country, but let me tell you what I see. Your world is plastic and see through to the other side. Your cities are made of wood, antiques are what you got inside. Houses are paper, but folks don't hear a word you say. Friendships like acid, it burns as it slides away.
See, my patience is growing thin. You know why? Yeah, why? In this nasty Trinidad and Tobago, we're living in. Hey, 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 hey. I tell you about poverty, the whole Trinidad catching the hell, and you don't know no story to tell. Everybody talking about Gary, everybody saying about Rowley, and nobody wants to vote for UNC. See, my patience is growing thin. You know why? Yeah. In this nasty Trinidad and Tobago, we're living in. Big up to everybody this morning, man. How are you going? Eh? I tell you about Kamla and Vassan. If you see them fighting to be champion, this time in the world to see, everybody suffering from poverty. I tell you something, they only have power. That is why the hour they're going to devour. And I know will be. I know the best things in life are free. See, my patience is growing thin. You know why? Yeah, why? In this Solomon Gomorrah, Trinidad and Tobago, we're living in. Hey. God come down quick. God come down quick. God come down quick. Take this world, take the world, take the world, take the world, and come down quick. Come down quick. Come down quick. God come down quick. God come down quick. Come down quick, Lord. Take the world and come down quick, Lord. Come down quick. Hey. How you going, brother? How you going, brother? I did this morning and I live, you know. I come down my social welfare. I doesn't come for myself. And I'm watching in business places. How did this be having people standing up, sick people. I now feel like a woman like she getting sick day. She want to drop down and faint. People catching their ass out here, boy. Right? And you know I want to let all you know. The big part about why they're catching all their ass, the thing about it, we keep depending on the government. That was the understanding part about seek the kingdom of God first, and all will be added on to you. The public, like the world, have a problem with that. Last night I pop up some people selling late. Somebody text me, they say nothing bad, but they're talking about, you know. I was saying, darling, that if people could go outside and sell late, I passing wrong. And I'm filming people selling. And I'm going back again. So when I selling and the police come, I want to have certain things as evidence. Because if it goes to one, it others goes to all. Like all I studying. Like the same thing I be studying, talking about blacks. And talking about the chutney artists. And talking about them. That by God make all of them pay. Because blacks could go out and get money. Understand me, people? He could go out and use his name. And when he go out and use his name and blacks my mother cunt, you will get money. Or fucking be mobile and he sell thiefing. $1 from every customer every day. Every fucking day they thiefing money. And who they giving it? Destra, blacks, and them done already have fucking money. Why did he sell and fucking be mobile can't come out and give you money? Why did he sell and be mobile instead of getting fucking Blacks and getting Destra and getting Marshall Montano and getting the mother cunt and them who already have money? Come on, can give the people by social welfare fucking money, not a cunt did he sell? And fucking be mobile? All your mother cunt in this country, boy. Fuck all your boy. You know what did he sell doing too? Let me teach you something. Be mobile is a mother cunt. That is the worst fucking telephone company. But yet still, DDCell and them partner. So Be Mobile don't care to fucking fix the service. So if anybody leave behind them, they're going by DDCell. And DDCell still giving Be Mobile a fucking cut. Because you could go and take a Be Mobile SIM and change it to DDCell. But DDCell and Be Mobile, they connect together. They with the mother cunt on them. If DDCell and Be Mobile could connect together to fucking rob we and make money, why we can't join as one and jam back the fucking government and jam back all of them mother cunt, boy? Not in violence, but in brains. The fucking politicians working together. Them sitting down and getting their mothers come together and work to thief the fucking money out. So we can get together and work and get and better be self. $1 you say. I lost $10. Amen. Amen, Ingrid. What I want to recommend you, and I want to let you know, you're a brave fucking woman. And I is your brother, and anybody fucking around you on Facebook, call me. Anybody coming around you on Facebook, call back, man. I never fucking see it. You and all of it vexed too are going and fucking jam them other cunt. I tell you that. Mommy, big girl, big sister, fucking come around my Ingrid. And, you see, Ingrid don't be on nobody. She they be with everybody. She nice with everybody. She knowing this fucking thing. And if all you like she, and all you coming wrong she, I got jam all them mother cunt. Because I'm watching all you good, you know. I'm watching all you good, all you like she, you know. I'm watching all them mother cunt and them in the Ingrid. But I wouldn't talk nothing now in my life. Because I know a lot of fucking thing. But I'm watching them. That's why I just cuss them mother cunt. The all you think what they doing we? They fucking partnering to rob we by Be Mobile and fucking DDCell. Because you know what? Be Mobile care about the service. People think what I'm fucking saying. Be Mobile don't care. My plan for 10 days. All you come out and talk. Come out and take all the DDCell book, all the Be Mobile book, and burn them other content on Facebook. And they dreaming people busting up all the fucking wire on them. And they dreaming they getting DDCell and Be Mobile pressure in them other cunt. For weeks and weeks they lost money. And dream that a certain person in the country that were uprising and start to fuck up Be Mobile and DDCell. They start to bust up all the fucking wire. They start to burn down all the book. They start to fuck up all the office on them. And Be Mobile and DDCell, they run bankrupt for a fucking while. All the managers and them start to catch them mother cunt. That way Trinidad and Tobago need. Fuck phone when it comes to I don't mind to pay for it. Fuck internet and fuck out here. I could sacrifice. You understand? I could sacrifice and do that. But I find when somebody out there, I don't like them big companies and them teaming up and fucking up people. Baba Steve, where the scene, boy? Where the vibes? People try. If I fucking tell you something about Steve, the fucking real people don't like to see me and you fucking talk. We don't have time for them thing, boy. I see you in the fucking temple. I see you going on. You do your little bit. Me, I had time with you, boy. Not me, boy. You do your thing, brother. You do your thing, boy. Fucking awake the beast. Awake the fucking devil. I can calm that fucking devil. I always tell her that. I don't know the fight down. I don't know where all of them doing here. I don't know where all of them coming. I don't know where all of them trying. All of them fucking you up. I know that about Steve. I know everybody how nasty fucking human being is. Them want to be everything. And especially if a man making it or a man have it all day, matters how we get, the fucking human being, the jealous bite. I see that with human being. No matter how it is. Yeah, back to the topic. People don't get social welfare, all they don't get harass or go and put it across, eh? But when all they depend on the fucking government, all they go be in problem. When all they depend on people, all they go be in problem. Right? A certain person tell me that I was singing Don't depend on nobody, boy. Get your mother's cunt up and work. Do something. You feel it's easy bread ever since I work in, you feel it easy? No. So the point about it this morning, I want to let you know. If government, B-Mobile, big companies, and certain big thing when coming to money, when coming to fucking money, they will join up and they will find a way and work together to take we fucking money. Why we can't get together and work together and tell them how their mother can't? Lawrence Murray? You like my laugh? Yeah, in life everybody have a way that there's like people in. Everybody like people personalities, you know. Lawrence Murray, you hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying this morning? I come out and I filmed them last night. They're selling after fucking 10, after 11, minutes of fucking 12 and they're going on. I want to fucking sell that time too. And anytime any fucking police come and interfere with me, I had the fucking video for evidence. You realize the police on them could be on the fucking road to charge for mass and they can't be on the road for crime? Because them is part of the fucking crime. Think what I'm showing all here. I come to show the heights this morning with B-Mobile and fucking Digicel. Listen back again. You could go and take a B-Mobile card. Take a B-Mobile SIM card. You could take it Trinidad and Tobago. And you could switch it over to Digicel. And Digicel and B-Mobile, they work together for that. Togetherness, they come together to work to get that kind of service. To give people that kind of service. So you could put on a Digicel card, but you have a B-Mobile number. Them working together to take we fucking money. And B-Mobile don't care about the service. Them don't care to give nobody no better service. Them don't care to give nobody something good. Because why? They're still making partner with Digicel. Think, people. Think. Same thing with the fucking government. Even the business people is robbers. The most fucking robbers is money, man. Because the most money I have in the world is more you fucking want. Correct is right, Ingrid. I am a bell to ring today. But think what I'll show you the lover. The most let me tell you why. You will go on the road by a vagrant. Right? If you watch the movie with Eddie Murphy. When he come down as an alien and he had the body of an alien and he went and he sit down, lie down with the vagrant to sleep. And he looking good. And when he lie down, the vagrant take his cover, that can cover him. A vagrant willing to fucking give him last. Not the fucking rich man, boy. A little youth man acting a waka man. Things nice out here, boy. What you doing, boy? Where you walking, boy? You buy van and thing, boy. I watching him so. I say, yeah, youth. I say you want to reach and get blessed and thing with God and for you to understand about life and do study material thing and then thing go come and around. He say, yeah, show me now. I say, when you work, take a little money and come and make some little hamper and make some grocery box and let me go and give some poor family and thing and let me go out and preach to God and win souls to God. Convince people God is real. Convince them how God work, yin and yang, the correct way. Don't fucking come positive and play Christian and play them mother cunt on them. Be real and be real from the heart. The youth pants are the fucking back, yes? The youth pants are the fucking back when I tell them, come and help me fucking work for God. People, the knowledge we have, the fucking children them, they will be cacaholes. You hear Fuad Khan say it? It's cacaholes living in the country. Fuad Khan talk something good, but I tell fucking government, UNC and everybody in this country that I keep the Venezuelan them out because I did law all the time and they didn't listen. So don't fucking correct something where they already sin and fucking make. Fuad Khan, brother, you talk good thing, but yes, you go talk good thing because you have viewers. And you know all what they're doing to bribe T&Tech and bribe this one and this squatter because you know you was part of fucking that. You was part of the fucking bribing and these squatters them. When squatters come to you and ask for fucking help, you call T&Tech man and T&Tech mother cunt and wassa and beg them and say help that squatter man through me, through Franklin, I mean through Fuad Khan. So all them mother cunt. I make out all the way. All the way. All in this fucking country fail by. People, all them mother cunt from Kamla to all a fucking them by all Ian Allen, this one, I the only man in the country will fuck up Ian Allen left, right and fucking center till they're dead. Nobody else can do that. All afraid fucking he, all afraid them. Trinidad and Tobago has a fucking bulla man this country have, and it's bulla man, all fucking like a bulla man. I tell all the eating people who watching me here to due respect, all don't get vexed, but all you and all to like some, all like fucking bulla man. All you can't do without them. All you have to be watching them. All you have to be. I don't know. They're part of the world. So let's stop fucking teaming up. And do like business people. Do like B-Mobile and fucking DDCell. Do like the government with the fucking politician them teaming up in the room and fucking we up. The B-Mobile and DDCell teaming up. Fucking we up. B-Mobile they fixing their service. They care. Rub we mother cunt. Because when they rub we mother cunt with poor service and they fix the service and they go by DDCell still fucking partner with B-Mobile. So all of them fucking we up. But I check the brain what they doing out here by anything for fucking money and nothing for fucking God. Anything they go do for money. Nothing for fucking God. This nasty Trinidad and Tobago that we live in. I tell her that. Next thing again to I want to talk. Let me try to remember where it is. Woman come up with GPNM jersey yesterday and she's selling Keith Rowley. I telling you, I got a message Faraz Alawari. I got a message Keith Rowley office. I got a message Gary Griffith. I got a message everybody. Once people occupying and they're doing good and they're obeying and they're behaving and everything going good, leave people that they sell their fucking food by. Leave people that they make money by. Be place hard. Look at my fucking social welfare here. And look how people suffering. Old people lied. Old people fucking sit down underneath a fucking shed. And they got dropped down any minute now. They're sick. They have no fucking strength to stand up. But they come to fucking beg. You know why? Because why? They dependent on the government. They the public. I stop depending on the government and depend on God, by. I know seek God first and all will be added onto you. All this other fucking people coming and talking. All you go and call fucking Baba Steve. If you like fucking care, people could say and they could do what they want that can come around me. I don't care. I make up my mind. You understand? And I don't go and waste my time behind fucking people who are giving me nothing. Waste my time to go and talk about people and about anything. I don't have time for them things. Trinidad and Tobago. So this is the voice of Wakaman was here. When I come on again later, I go bring on some topics again for you. Right now the topic is about the Venezuelan and them. And everybody talking how they coming in here. I blaming fucking Rowley. Years ago, you and mother cunt young. You and nasty fucking young. Mother cunt young. You and young, I warn all you. It in the fucking politician are we going mad. It ain't one of the verse. Where the fucking radio station ban all my song. Nasty boom champion, Bullaman boom champion, nasty fucking flex. By flex all your mother cunt by. If all the fucking bad come at your rank yourself now, let me rest down some O behind all your mother cunt. Let me have all the whole family turning up off the fucking road and think, come around fucking me now. Radio station, all your mother cunt by. Fuck all radio station. Banning my song. They ban all my fucking music by. All my music they ban. All the good songs they ban. Trinidad and Tobago, I want to blame the humans in this world. I want to blame fucking human being. Me a blaming the devil. Me a blaming no. Let's stop blaming the fucking devil. Leave the devil out of this. Leave Jesus Christ out of this. Leave all the gods and them out of this. It's fucking we is the problem. Human beings. Nasty fucking human beings are the biggest devil. We the devil God created. God create we for a purpose and create we and fuck up. We fuck up the whole scene. Now human beings. That way he create we for. God ever must he fucking regret creating fucking we too. The guy telling you that people that make people out and they reach up and you just watch them and they just fucking forget you. But you don't bother me. Big I don't ever do nothing and look for nothing in return and I don't want no fucking blessing. You respect God, I am in it and know how. But I don't want a blessing from you, God, because I doing something for somebody. I must need blessing from you. No, I just do them thing because nature nice to me, God. That sun alone shining for me. When I go out in the earth and I pick a fruit and I eat, the ground bear that for me. I had air to breathe. Nature good to me, God. Nature nice to me. What nature give me, I could never give back to mankind. I could never give back to nature. I could never give back to God. What nature give me, when I look at the smallest thing, I could do all I want in this world. I could never pay back to nature when nature give me, boy. Because dirt I come from, dirt I going back. Water and earth made everything. Water and earth made everything. So I stand up for the poor people them. Poor people out there, all you come out with me. Come out and stand up for God. Come out and help me march for God. Not for fucking law, not for fucking law, not for that, not for this. Come and come with a light. Come with the candle. Come let me go and pray on the road. But nobody want to come. Nobody don't want to take the call. Nobody are coming to me. Nobody are begging people for help. Asking people to donate some money or to donate some little cash to me. Do Wakaman program, long time the program or something. Ryan Wonderboy said next week he donating something in the program. I need some money to kick my program. I need somebody to kick my music. I need some money to help me. Music I sing in free for all you on Facebook. Yes, nobody. You know, I can't sing a fucking song for all you. I'm not giving you all the money to fuck around. And I bring the fucking correcting about Gary Griffith. And I bring the fucking correcting about the police. And I bring the correcting about fucking Kamla and them. Because he fucking running all in Kamla. All in the arms with Kamla. So fuck away with them, boy. All you like fake out here, boy. And all you go pull the money with men could rob all you. I will never rob nobody. I out here years now. I'm not a fucking person can say that. And don't a fucking Baba Steve know that too. Because when somebody call him and tell him this, tell him that, he turn around and he said, nah. Just like how next one in America, Stacey Ranrup call him and telling him how Rhea went up there and thief this and thief that. Baba Steve turned around and he said, I know Rhea and I know Rhea daughter. You call me and lie and tell me them thing. Such a fucking nasty mother cunt out there. You see, is she and all to you see my father here commenting again? Where you think he coming and commenting for? It fucking Stacey Ranrup caused that. She caused fucking that. She money can fool Redo, she money can fool fucking Nikki, and your money couldn't fool plenty fucking people. So if your money, you feel your money can fool anybody. My father under some problem, $37,000 in rent the other pay, otherwise they go potty mother cunt. Miss Stacey Ranrup from my way. Fucking help him now. He need that fucking help. He need fucking help. Right? I go fucking help him. I go by Alwari and go by them because they owing fucking me. Right? And if he's ashamed to put it up in the program, I will put up my business in the program because my program helping fucking me. And my program helping fucking people. So this is the voice of our commandants here. It was nice talking to all of you. Let me see if I get a song of mine for you.
Why she leave? She buying provision all over town. But when she see me cassava, she say
I know what my jersey. I have a box of these jersey. Them the Wakaman jersey. They my jersey.
she wanted, she name is Jennifer. The girl when they come in when she takes me cassava. She wanted, she name is Jennifer. The girl when they come in when she takes me cassava. She buying provision all over town. She buying provision all over town. But when she see me cassava, she say it fat and long. She wanted, she name is Jennifer. The girl when they come in when she takes me cassava. She wanted, she name is Jennifer. The girl when they come in when she takes me cassava.
She said cassava, she really like cassava. No matter what time of the day, she requesting cassava. She really love cassava. If it go for Columbus, they requesting cassava.
She say she love me cassava, till I go and sell it out. She say she love me cassava, till I go and sell it out.
She said what done full she belly go have to stay inside she mouth. Redo and jam them in some topic today, boy. I jam them in some topic today, brother. I jam them in some topic today, you understand? And right now the politician are we going mad? I have version 2. Or let's check it on the Facebook and share it up all about. Redo, watch back this video. I fuck up there. I crack some. I crack them, Redo. I crack them with heights this morning. I crack them about the vaccine. I crack them about all of them fucking thing. Yes, God. In fact, I respect myself like to be a God on this earth. So the same way you say you pray that God could turn around my dad's situation. I am a God on this earth. And God has used me as human beings to do great things. So as you pray to God and God above blesses, I'm going to do God work and I'm going to turn around my dad's situation. Because I have things in plans already. That's my dad. So you're correct. I have you back. I am my father back no matter what. I'm my father till I'm dead. I go always think I go along and check him out and thing. You understand? Because he alone home. These 3 days are trying to open up some business and thing. So we're going to have our next cat coming out soon. So I'm trying to save some money. I'm trying to save $10,000 to buy a deep fryer. To buy a freezer again. And a deep fryer for $3,200. The freezer. A small little wares to get. And I buy the plumbing pipe. That. And the barrel. Right. And there's a few goods again and throw out the next burger cat. Oh, ball band thing. So less than 10,000, I could pour that burger cat just so. Let's buy the bulb, put the plumbing down, and X buy Y and still buy up something. Fix the barrel and jam them with barbecue. You understand? So that is what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix the barrel and jam them with barbecue. That's my new chutney. Oh yeah, what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix a barrel and I'm going to jam them with barbecue. All it is plain to see. Waka singing a chutney. So all you tell all what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix the barrel and jam some barbecue. All you listen what I have to say. I selling it Friday and Saturday. And people on the Facebook here what to do. Come down in 500 Friday and Saturday and buy some barbecue. Big up to all you blessed bye bye. All I don't know. Voice of a man must say. All I don't know.